Folks, here at Dr. Deer, Ben Kurth and I often are asked to evaluate companies' products related to deer, and I think Ben will agree with me, 99% of the time they don't pan out,
That's
do they?
right.
It's sad, but they don't. But in this case, it's one of those rare occasions. This is Jeff Williams with Nutra Deer, and Jeff, I'm here to give you our report on our research project. And you passed the test with flying colors. You've got a fine product right there, and we're going to give you the Dr. Deer seal of approval, and we don't give that to many folks. So
that's outstanding. Well, thank you.
Congratulations to you, man.
Thank you very much.
To you, absolutely. And you need to understand, folks, that in order to do this, what Ben and I have done is that we've performed very rigorous scientific tests on Jeff's deer feed, and it passed. And that's important, and we take our endorsement very seriously. So Jeff and his company has accomplished a lot. So thanks again for having a fine product, and y'all need to try to use it.